except I didn't expand this correctly. 3y squared is 9y squared. So this should be 10y squared right here. 10y squared over 2y would give me 5y over 10, which means y is 2. And if y is 2, x is 6. And 6 over 2 is certainly 3 over 1. X squared plus y squared would be 36 plus 4 over the difference between those. 6 minus 2 is 4. 40 over 4, sure enough, is 10, so that does check. Y equals 2 and x equals 6. Just make sure you don't forget to square the 3 right there, okay? Lots of other problems here in the Diophantus arithmetica. And if you're interested in solving some more, then feel free to purchase the book or do a Google search, look for problems from arithmetica. You can find all kinds of examples online and just work on them for fun. There are a bunch of them of the same type, and then you've got lots of different types. So interesting to see how he solved them. And you start to see some patterns in his work. One of his patterns is that one where when he's looking for two numbers with a given sum, he represents, instead of x and y, he takes half that sum and represents the numbers as a different set of sum. So take a look at that. Y'all have fun, and we've got a third one coming up.